Hello everybody, this is Silver Reploid CLE. How are you guys doing, YouTube? That's right, the Silver Reploid coming at you live looking fresh in the flesh on the net, streaming on stream. It's time for another tutorial video, and this time we're going to be focusing on how to live stream on YouTube. Whether it's YouTube live stream, basic events, or it can be like YouTube gaming, which I'm planning on doing in the future. So, live streaming on YouTube, it's kind of like Twitch, but the thing is about it, you have some stuff that you have to configure, whether it's the encoding options and the setup that you have in order to live stream some content, whether it's gaming, whether it's music, whether it's football events and stuff like that, etc, etc, etc. So in this video I'm going to show you the basics on how to live stream on YouTube. Now the first thing you got to focus on is the events that you're creating for your YouTube live stream. And if this is your first time doing a YouTube live stream, you'll see something like this. You don't have any upcoming events, schedule a new event. So what you want to do right here is schedule a new event, and once you do that, you'll come to this part right here. Now this part right here is the same usual thing when it comes, like when you're uploading a YouTube video to your channel, and you have the title. This time you have these two new features: the time and also the type of live stream that you're intending to do. Now in reference to Google Hangouts on Air, I tried testing it out the other day, and I wasn't doing anything. It just showed my face, so I went to doing custom, more encoding options. Now you want to choose this one because it's much more easier to set up your live stream events and stuff like that. So as for advanced and monetization, they're both the same thing. So let's go ahead and you want to set up the category. So you choose any category you want, depending on what you're doing. You choose a category that best fits what you're doing, and go to title and name your title. Any title. So for example, since I'm showing you guys a tutorial on how to live stream on YouTube, you can I'm gonna call this title for the tutorial just test, because I'm just showing you guys how to do live streaming for YouTube. So in reference to this part, I think what they mean by that is what time that people have to show up. They can show up either early or whatever time possible, and even though they missed the designated time, they can still show up during the stream or whatever case possible. So I'm gonna go with today at 9:50 a.m. So you want to go with this format right here, AM, PM, and type your description. This is a live stream test tutorial. Nothing interesting to see here. And yeah, I typed fast because I took computer class. And as for the tags, you can put any tags you want, but I'm not going to do any for this one. So what you can do now, and in reference to this one, you don't have to do it to what is Google Plus and Twitter. What you can do now is, when you're done with everything, you can go ahead and create your event. Click right here, and you'll come to this part, the main camera and add camera. Now, in reference to thumbnail, you can choose any thumbnail you like, and I'm going to go with my flyer my cover photo as an example. Now, in reference to the thumbnail, when it comes to live stream schedules, you can create your own thumbnail, your live stream background, showing the times that you'll be available for live streaming, whatever day possible, and that way they'll know for certain, the people will know for certain, your subscribers or new people will know for certain what time the live stream event will start, so that way they can arrive and watch it. And of course, they'll have the chat window so they can comment on the live stream that you're doing. And when you click on add a camera, it will add another duplicate camera like main camera, so you want to stick to using the main camera. Or if you have another camera, you can add that too to make things a lot more convenient, where it can be any point of view, so it doesn't matter. Now down here, it focuses on the ingestion or the settings for your encoder. So basically, you want to check your settings pertaining to that. And here, open broadcaster software. You gotta find stuff pertaining to broadcasting settings. Now, in reference to this, you want to make sure you set the mode to live stream, the streaming service YouTube, or any other live stream service. You can do like Twitch or YouTube, and these other ones I don't know. And for the server, the URL, choose primary, And for down here, quick synchronize encoder, yes, apply. But that's not the right one. Somewhere in this, if I remember correctly, encoding. Check your encoding options and broadcast settings. No, advanced. Okay, so set your key, set it to 60, and when you're done, click OK. Go back to the YouTube thing. Now, in reference to your camera, mine is 720p, but if I go that high, it might be a little skippy, so I'm gonna go with 400 to 1000 kilobytes per second. Okay, for custom ingestion, you'll see some options down here. The first four are the first one is encoder. You can choose from any of these encoders right here. I don't have neither one of these two because I have Open Broadcaster software, and since I only have had that one, you can choose other encoders because that's the only encoding software that I have. And as for the rest of the stuff, they show you the stream key, which I will not reveal because I don't want people to corrupt my event. So, and the last two are the basic steps on starting your encoder and live streaming. Well, it goes to the live control room. Okay, so once you see something, once you go to the live control room, you'll see something like this. You want to make sure you got everything set up. Or there's a stream key. You want to copy the stream key to Open Broadcaster software in the settings. Go to broadcast settings, then copy and paste the stream key in this section right here. Hang on just a moment. After you're done that, click apply. And once you're done with that, go back to YouTube and click on start streaming via Open Broadcaster software. I'm gonna go ahead and turn my camera on so that way you'll see the concept of it. There it is. Okay, so once you click on start streaming, the button of preview should be good, so click that and then click OK to start your stream, so that way they can go ahead and process the stream info. And once they do that, that's when you can go ahead and start streaming. Now when it comes to doing live streaming, you want to make sure that you're not like repeating the sounds, hearing the sound repeats over and over again. You want to make sure that the video volume in this point of view on YouTube, you want to make sure that's muted because you don't want the sound to repeat itself. So in a few minutes or so, or seconds, they'll prepare their live stream preview. After that, click start streaming. Click OK. Then preview the stream from there. And once you get that done, that's when you'll see yourself live streaming already. So that's basically how to live stream via YouTube. So I'm not going to deal with this any longer. So this is just a little test. So nothing interesting to see here for those who are wondering what I'm doing pertaining to live streams. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the stream. You want to do that by clicking stop streaming. Okay, so after you're done with that, let me turn on the camera. After you're done with that, you'll see complete, and that'll mean that the event is already created. Now, the video will also be stored in your video manager, so that's pretty much how to live stream via YouTube, which is pretty simple. You just gotta know the basic concept of it, the encoding options, and all the other stuff that you have to look at and stuff like that. Now remember, when you're done streaming, you want to make sure you stop streaming on both softwares, Open Broadcaster software, and of course, stop streaming on YouTube right here. And once you click on stop streaming via YouTube, it will say complete and how much time you did to stream. So that's basically how you do the live stream on YouTube. I hope you guys understand the concept fully. Now, this was requested by one of my subscribers who wanted me to show the basic concept on how to live stream via YouTube. He told me he did it once on Google Hangout Air, I think. I don't remember what he told me, but if you guys are looking ways on how to live stream via YouTube, this is very simple. And yeah, just make sure, and also when you do it by video, play the preview video. This is how I do it though, but if you know how to do the other stuff, then you can go with that. So I would say that concludes this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and of course understand the concept of how to live stream on YouTube for those who are intending to live stream their content in the future, which I'm planning on doing on my second channel. If you want some more tutorials pertaining to YouTube or gaming and stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more. Also, follow my social media, the links in the description. Join my community also. Share because we care. More videos to come soon. Make sure you like, comment, and favorite the Silver Reploid CLE. I'll see you guys in the next video.